If you live near Hill City, Minnesota, you need to be in a storm shelter. See? Here we go. Here we go. Holy sh!
Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Aitken County and east central Minnesota, extreme east central Cass County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 4 miles west of Hill City.
You need to be in a safe place now, Hill City.
25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, confirmed tornado from train spotters.
Train spotters confirmed it.
Threatening situation. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction.
I just posted on Facebook that I thought a new one would be issued, and I was right.
Trees to be uprooted or snapped. Locations impacted include Hill City,
it is reproducing tornadoes. That's scary.
Highway 200 west of Hill City, Highway 169 south of Hill City, Quantum Mountain Resort Area. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly
a lot of tornado hit north side of St. Louis by May 31st.
Now, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy
That's why it was an F3 though.
Windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Take cover in a basement or storm shelter now.
Yeah, that's where you need to be.
The National